gusto ba na to?
Bogi ko.
Now I'm gonna eat a piece of egg with white rice and it has a sauce. Man, this was 45 pesos at the market. It's worth every 45 pesos. It's worth it. I left some sauce in the spoon. Picked up some egg and some rice. One of my favorites is fried potato. Garlic. For this this breakfast gets a thumbs up. What do you think about this breakfast? Give it a thumbs up or a thumbs down. If you give it a thumbs up, give a like. If you give it a thumbs down, dislike. I woke up at 5 today. Man. I like waking up early, but then I wake up early and sometimes I'm like, oh, tired. I didn't even count the eggs. I didn't even notice how many. Was it one or two? I just got busy straight towards that. Oh yeah, it was two. Look at this one, y'all. This is my favorite part. Like, my wife used to cook it more harder, like this, without the juicy joke. And I told her, no, baby, I want mine like this. So now she cooks it like this.
Salty ha.
No, it's good. Uy.
Napaman. Imuha ng daghan kay di ko ng daghan. Kanang gamay ra ko
Thank you, Lord, for this meal.
Kanang daghan imuha. Ay pagtanaw dito gahit ka
Look at this yummy egg, y'all. Get a little bit of the egg juice. My favorite dish from my wife is the orange chicken. I just posted a blog about it too. It's kind of like a video, like a mukbang video. You can check it out.